Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm the national trainer for Mirabella Beauty. This is the perfect opportunity to really close in the entire look of what she's come in for. So oftentimes the stylist will stop with the hair and the client will go on their way, and maybe even sometimes they'll take out their own makeup and touch themselves up. But you have to really look at it as an opportunity for you to suggest products that would work with maybe her new haircut, or maybe try focusing on her eyes if she's just gotten some new bangs. You know, anything that's gonna sort of bring her whole look together. So the way that I like to approach a client that I've never seen before is to start in with whatever the new collection is and just simply ask, have you seen our new colors for the season? I think they would look great on you. Would you mind if I did a quick little touch up on you before you leave? You know, what you're really looking for is a few hero products like glosses, blushes, bronzers, powders that look great on everyone, that everybody needs, and just applying that. So you can see how natural that feels to just talk to your client, sharing with them what are the colors of the season, updating their makeup look, but you're only spending a few minutes with each person. It's not about a full makeup application because she'll make a separate appointment for that, for a special event. It's just a way to touch a client every day and sort of update her look. You know, she's coming in, she's getting hair color done. Why should it stop with just the hair? After all, what we are is we're creating a full experience with both hair, makeup, skin, nails. So if you think about it in terms like this, I only spent 2 or 3 minutes with her, but I've used 4 products in that time in just talking with her about makeup.